This is our most feature-packed video head. The FS36Pro combines an inverted ball head design with some really unique features that you're going to be glad you have in your content kit. It's got all the movements you need in one spot. Yep, pan, tilt, and friction control all on the left side for full operator side control. For a little added adjustment, there's a spring-loaded counterbalance flip tab on the other side. Flip it back towards you for a little extra spring back. You can level it off with this repositionable handle, especially shaped to be as low profile as possible. And of course, there's a bubble level to stay good and straight. An included spacer allows you to mount to nearly any 3/8/16 thread. The camera plate is something special. It's 501 ready with a super handy Arca clamp at the back that's great for any Arca plate or compatible camera cages. Everyone needs to shoot photo and video sometimes, right? Well, this camera plate makes going back and forth so much easier. To remove the plate, flip the lock, push to pop it off, and bam, you've got another Arca clamp with these flip-up tabs. It's great when your Arca plate is on a long lens and you don't want to waste time switching plates around. The pan arm locks on either side with a rosette that lets you angle it to your situation. And with a small twist, it extends and retracts. The FS36 Pro is packed with pro features that will come in handy on every shoot.